Mate Trev, welcome. Today is Monday, 3rd of June. 3rd of June, start of a new week. It's a new day, brand new day, the start of a new week. And welcome. And welcome to my new vlog, new film. And now, I've been busy, flat out. I've been doing my house chores, which has just been done. So now in this video I'm going to show you my old Commodore car. My old Commodore, I no longer have that anymore. So, and then I have the new car, the Ford Kia Ceratto. Yeah, it's sparkling. I got a nickname to it, Snow White. Snow White. What do you reckon? I reckon it's a good name because it's pure. It is, well, it looks snow white. It is very bright. Snow White. Yeah, I reckon that's a good name. Cute. And so, anyway, I'm really enjoying the vehicle. I've been doing a little bit of driving. I drove to Yarrawonga over the weekend on Friday night actually. Went for a bit of a night drive. I didn't do any filming, but only on Facebook. I did film from my Android camera, and so check that out on my Facebook, and a bit of a nightlife there at Yarrawonga. So, and of course yesterday I went to my sister's place for a while to show her my new car and a few other things. So it's good to catch up and chat. And so I had a good day. So anyway, also the Trevor's Bushland Adventures, Mount Beauty and the Pondage bike tour. That's up on my YouTube channel, on Trevor's Bushland Adventures. Check it out. It is good. It is awesome. So so the next 3 weekends I'm going to be doing filming for my Bushland Adventures. Of course, this weekend I'm off to Chiltern, going back into Chiltern area. The last time I went up there was the Magenta Mines, the big open cut. So there are other areas where there's more mines, gold mines, than I thought. So there's a lot more around to discover. So I'm yet to discover that. So that's Cyanide Dam, a place called Cyanide Dam, and there's a walking track, takes you around the hills and around the bush. So I'm really looking forward to it. So and the weekend after also is the train trip from Yarrawonga to Benalla and back to Yarrawonga. So that's that'll be another episode. And I think the one after that will be the Halkwa River, over in Halkwa River, which is near Jamison. And I'll be filming over there, so some next bit of exploring over there to do. And also there's a lantern festival in Mansfield, so that's later in the afternoon apparently. So and when it gets to night time, all these lanterns light up. So that's going to be interesting. I'm going to check that out. So that'll be good. So anyway, so that's as far as I'm going at the moment, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Now I did mention about doing a tribute to my Commodore. I will be doing that later on. I haven't had a chance to dig up the past photos of the Commodore. That takes time. So, but what you'll see is what you'll enjoy, the last of my Commodore, and then bringing the new car, the Ford Kia. Check it out. Mate Rev, welcome. Today is Tuesday. You can choose anything you like. And it's 28th of May. What's happening? 30 years ago, these cars were built as a Commodore. The Holden Commodore, yeah. So this car, as from next year, will be 30 years. 30 years. So 30 years ago, it's a 95 model. So I've had this car for about, I think it was 2013, around about, or 2014. That's when I first got the car. Could have been 2014, I think. And I'm going to pay a little tribute to that with some clips over the past of my Commodore. And very sad, this is my last time with my Commodore. This is the last time you'll ever see it. It's going to be traded in, and I'm not, well, I didn't get very much money for it, but look, it's cash, and it's not going to be worth it to be selling it privately, because there's so much happening, so much wrong with the vehicle. I mean, there's a damage on the back of the vehicle that's going to cost money, and the paintwork, everything, it's all money. So I'm just as happy to do that, but unfortunately she's got to go. The old Holden 95 model Commodore, and it's Moonlight. That was the nickname, Moonlight. Moonlight, because when I first bought the car, it was so shiny. The moon, at night time, the moonbeam was bouncing off the car. Yeah, it's not moonbeam. Yeah, so I call it Moonlight then. So anyway, and I've got to go now and take this car and poor old thing. It's been a great car. I mean, I've taken my dad in the car and my brother Peter. We've been places, lots of places. I've been bush bashing with this car, with Commodore. Yeah, remember that film on Bushland Adventures Channel? I went through some water. I think that was over in near Commodore there somewhere, where the Bluff Falls area. And so you check that out. So the car's done well for me, and it's time to part from it. And of course 1995 was the year of these models. So we've got to keep up with the times these days, I guess. Anyway, I hope you enjoy your day, and very shortly I will do some filming of my new car. So it's goodbye 95 model Holden Commodore VS V6 Commodore. With the click of my fingers, let's bring on the new one. There she is, a brand new car. Yes, it's a used car, really. It's a second-hand car, so it's not new. I can't say it's new, but to me, it looks new to me. And this is a Ford Kia 2010 model. So that's not very old, is it? That's around about, well, 10, 14 years old. Yeah. So that's okay. Yeah, 14 years. So that beats 30 years of my Commodore, didn't it? So this is quite a nice car, and very well looked after, whoever had it. So this is my new addition, the Ford Kia. And I want to do a shout out. I want to thank Ovens Ford in Ceratto. That's where I got this car from. So if you're looking for a vehicle, there's used cars, new cars, all sorts. Go to Ovens Ford in Ceratto. I recommend. Yeah, bit of a shout out to you guys. So it's a beautiful day, a lovely day. We had a frost and fog early this morning, and so we're going to get rain at the end of the week, so they say, and I think we could do with some rain, really. Anyway, so I'm just going to do a few shots off this, and hope you enjoy your day. Welcome to new Ford Kia. Yeah. Now I'm in my my new Ford Kia Ceratto. That's what it's called, Ceratto. Ford Kia Ceratto. It's a really nice car, really nice. Very much like the vehicles that I drive at work, usually. And so a bit of a look around. Yeah, it's a Kia. Yes, lovely. Radio, automatic. So, it is really nice. I'm proud of myself. Really am. Really proud of myself. So this is my 7th car. So how long will this last? Well, I think it's a matter of looking after it. The more you look after it, the more you give it a bit of love all the time, it'll last for a while. A long time, yeah. So this is it, I'm all set. Let's go midnight cruising. Yeah, midnight cruise. Now, where am I? Yes, I've just knocked off work. Yes, been driving. I've been doing 3 trips to Benalla today. 3, yeah. So I'm finished now, and I'm going to get some tea, something to eat, and I'll put this video up. And so enjoy the rest of your week. I hope you enjoyed this video about my car and my Commodore and the Ford Kia. That's the car I'm in now at the moment. It's night time actually, so that's why I'm so dark. Yeah, it's night. So and it's overcast too as well, so I think we're going to be in for some rain. We had a frost this morning. A frost, because the windscreens were frosted on the buses. So I think in the morning, well, probably may not be so frosty in the morning, I don't think. So it should be right. So back on the road again tomorrow morning. Anyway, create harmony. Bye. You never know what I get up to next.